The lights are dim, the day is slowly exhaling. And now it's your turn. This is your space, a quiet corner of calm before sleep. Tonight, we'll move through 12 gentle poses, designed to release your mind, melt your muscles, and guide you softly into rest. So lie down your mat, breathe in deeply, and let's begin your sleepy yoga journey. 1. Easy seated pose, Sukhasana. Sit comfortably, cross-legged. Let your spine grow tall, your shoulders drop. Close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose, slowly, softly, and exhale through your mouth like a sigh. Imagine the noise of the day floating away with every breath. This is the doorway to stillness. 2. Neck rolls. Drop your right ear towards your shoulder. Gently roll your head forward and to the left. Feel each muscle stretch like it's waking from a long dream. Let your breath guide your movement. Slow, circular, effortless. No rush, just release. 3. Shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears and roll them back and down. Feel the tension dissolve, the weight you've been carrying all day melting behind you. Let every roll whisper, I'm letting go. 4. Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall gently open. Hold your feet or ankles and sit tall, like your spine is rising toward the stars. With each exhale, let your knees sink a little lower. This pose opens your hips and softens your body, perfect for letting go of the day's restlessness. Stay here for a few breaths, calm and steady. 5. Seated side stretch, Parsa-Sukhasana. Return to a simple cross-legged position. Place your right hand on the floor beside you and stretch your left arm over your head. Breathe into your side body, feel the ribs expand like soft waves. Switch sides when you're ready. This gentle stretch lengthens the spine and brings ease to your breathing, a quiet invitation for your body to unwind. 6. Seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Sit tall with your legs stretched out in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine, exhale as you fold gently forward. Let gravity do the work. Feel the stretch travel down your legs, through your back, into your breath. You're not forcing, you're surrendering. 7. Supine twist, Supta Matsyendrasana. Lie back. Bring one knee across your body, letting your spine twist softly. Your arms open wide like wings. Every exhale unwinds the day's tension. Your body becomes fluid, peaceful, almost weightless. 8. Happy baby pose, Ananda Balasana. Draw your knees toward your chest and hold the outsides of your feet. Gently rock from side to side. Smile if it feels good. It's called happy baby for a reason. Let the playfulness in this pose remind your body it's safe to rest. 9. Legs up the wall, Viparita Karani. Scoot close to a wall and rest your legs up against it. Your arms can fall beside you, palms open. This pose soothes tired legs and calms your heart rate. It's one of the simplest, most healing poses before sleep. Just breathe and let the stillness wash over you. 10. Reclined bound ankle pose, Supta Baddha Konasana. Bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open like butterfly wings. Rest one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Feel your heartbeat slow, your breath deepen. This is the body whispering, it's time to rest. 11. Supine stretch, full body stretch. Stretch your arms above your head and your toes in the opposite direction. Take a deep inhale, feeling every muscle awaken one last time. Exhale and let it all go. Your body has done enough for today. 12. Corpse pose, Savasana. Now lie completely still. Let your feet fall open, palms face the sky. Close your eyes. Your body feels heavy, your mind light. The day fades behind you. Only calm remains. Breathe softly. Let this stillness cradle you into sleep. There's nowhere to be, nothing to do. Just rest. You've given your body the gift of release. You've given your mind the gift of peace. Tonight, as you drift off, know that rest isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Your body heals in stillness. Your mind blooms in quiet. If this practice helped you unwind, leave a comment. Like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow night for another slow journey into calm. Good night, beautiful soul. Sleep well.